Okay, so it's just a summary of direct variation, section 2.2. And in this scenario, we're at a gas station and we're buying gas for 2.25 a gallon. In the situation on the left, we buy one Mountain Dew in addition to the gas. In the situation on the right, we have just the gas. Right. So the question is, which one of these would make a direct variation? Right. And so there's lots of ways to think of this. I guess the one that makes the most sense to me is that the relationship ends up being proportional. So like on the situation on the right, that is a direct variation because as we double the number of gallons of gas, it's times two, um, then the cost also doubles. Okay, versus the one on the left, that's not true. We double the gallons of gas, but this is not double. And the reason is the $1 Mountain Dew, right? We bought twice as much gas, but the $1 is in both of these costs. So the overall cost doesn't double because just the gas cost doubles in this scenario, right? So you end up with the not like a proportional relationship. So this one is not a direct variation, not direct. Okay, versus the one where you buy only gas is direct because it's exact proportional relationship and the whole cost is just 2.25 times a gallon. There's no other additional $1 cost, right? So as an equation, this looks like that has a slope without any y-intercept. Okay, and graphically we would have, if you were to plot this, each gallon we buy, we increase by $2.25 per gallon. The situation on the left is also linear, but it just doesn't start at 0, 0. It starts up here at $1, and then from there it increases at that same 2.25 a gallon. It's just got a different y-intercept, right? So that one Mountain Dew changes everything. The Mountain Dew case is not direct. The one that's just gas is.